Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can embed music on your Big Cartel website and how you could possibly sell it there as well. So let's get right into it. Now, natively, you can't embed music here on your site. There is no functionality within Big Cartel itself. And if you go into products and if you try to add some, you won't be able to add digital products. Now, what you can do, you can go into your account and go into the shop designer, and then you're going to go into code, and this is where you're going to be embedding your items. Now, as you can see, I don't have a subscription, so I don't have the access to embed anything into my site. However, what you can do is you can go to power.io, and here you can build your own apps. Now, if I search for music, as you can see, you can add a digital download, embed, or widget, call it whatever you want, or you can get a music player. So for example, if I go to digital download and to music player, it'll open up two different windows. And for digital downloads, as you can see, this is what it will look like. You can just fix everything up here. I'm not exactly sure as to what all of the functionalities of power.io are, but you can set everything up here and then just publish it and then embed it into your website. And the same goes for the music player. Here you can add mp3s, embed mp3s, and then when people go to your site, they can play it. Again, you just need to set everything up here, click publish, and then embed it over here if you have a subscription which allows it. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. There's really nothing else I can add. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.